Hi guys, welcome to Mrs. Shay's classroom. I am one of the two art teachers here at Shikellamy High School. Miss Howard and I work well together because she does more of the digital aspect and I do more of the three-dimensional. We do share some drawing classes though. If you notice on here, my room number has changed, 300. If you've had me in the past, I'm in the same room, same place, just different location. So what I would like to do is I would like to go through and show you some of the different classes I teach and just give you a brief overview of what we will be doing. Before I do that, though, I do have some remote learners, and I want to make sure that you received an email from me with your Google Classroom code to join. Please do that as soon as possible. Check it on a daily basis. You will find everything that you need in there as needed, whether that be lessons, videos, tutorials, assignments, and that's where we'll communicate too. If you are in class with me, you will also have to be more cautious due with COVID, with the social distancing. We're going to have sanitation buckets at each table with sharing materials that after every time you are done using it, you have to sanitize it so that we can help stop the spread of this COVID-19. But I'm excited to be back in the classroom, and let's make it a great year as best as we can and be positive. So here are some of the classes that I do teach. I teach a drawing one, some basic things that you will learn in there. It's an intro class, how to draw a 2-point perspective, which is learning how to draw three-dimensional on a 2D surface. You might do portraits, whether it be self or a famous person. We learn some color theory and get involved with what colors go well together and how to blend, etc. One of my favorite classes to teach is 3D sculpture. For this, every sculpture uses a different medium or material. Some of the things you could use would be foam, cardboard, wire, plaster cast, sculpting mold, which is a really neat thing. So another class that I do, is Pottery 1. In this, we do hand building, strictly hand building, no wheel. We do pinch pots, coil pots, slab, and drape. Those are the 4 basic types of pottery you will learn about. Pottery 2, you will be learning the wheel that is introduced. You still do some hand building though as well. A little more advanced now that you learn the 4 basic methods in Pottery 1. And Pottery 3 is called a studio class. This is the most advanced class that I do have. You will do the wheel and hand building, but it's more of an independent study. I give you guidelines and you give me the ideas of what you want to make and how you're going to proceed to do it. So you can use different methods and come up with your own resources of what to do. So with that being said, I just want to say that I'm excited to see everybody. It's going to be a great year. And like I said, if you're at home and you have any questions, you're a remote learner, please email me, Shay, S-H-A-Y, j@shikbraves.org. But make sure you get into Google Classroom as soon as possible. I will see you guys soon.